Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Interest rate wise here in New Zealand, still waiting for the Reserve Bank to meet next week. Most analysts and economists expect a further quarter-point hike in the interest rates. That then may be a little bit of a pause there. July's possible increase is probably on hold. We're just waiting now to see how the recent hikes will then filter through to the system, and resuming possibly with further interest rate hike in September. Obviously that has a pretty major impact on fixed interest portfolios, and you really need to get those reviewed now, so call us on 0800 867 323. In terms of bonds in the marketplace, Auckland Airport set their recent bond, that was at 5.52. There's potential for a Mighty River Power capital note issue coming up in the next couple of weeks as well. If you're interested in that, call us on 0800 867 323. Quite a bit of interest being generated as well in this Gentrack IPO coming forward. If you are interested in that, you have to be pretty quick getting in contact with us. Say call us on 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. Elsewhere, equities seem to be holding a reasonable bid. Certainly the reporting season out of the US has been okay. Nothing spectacular, but markets sort of holding in at reasonable levels. And indeed, the US is almost pushing up towards sort of fresh highs on a sort of daily basis now. Obviously, the big question mark is China and Chinese growth. That still appears to be on track for around the sort of 7 to 7.5%. Elsewhere, obviously Europe is still a little bit behind the curve in terms of recovery, and just waiting to see what the ECB does there. Now they've signalled pretty heavily that there will be further stimulus moves coming through, and that just depends on what sort of shape that takes now, whether it will be further interest rate cuts or indeed a form of quantitative easing like we've seen in the US. So to summarise Gentrack, if you're interested, 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. We look forward to speaking to you soon.